Hey guys, this is Amjad with another tutorial about receiving and depositing payments in Quickbooks Desktop. Well, in the last tutorial, we created our invoice and sent it to our fictional customer named Christy. And upon receiving the invoice, she forwarded us a check for the due amount. Now, we have received the check and need to record it in Quickbooks Desktop. First, let me show you the due amount. And here is the due amount we created our invoice against in the last tutorial. And when you go to the chart of accounts, it also shows the exact balance under accounts receivable. Now just click on receive payment on the home page to go to the customer payment window. Here, as soon as you will select your customer in the receive from field, it will show all the invoices concerning that customer, and since we have just one at this point in time, it's showing that. Now select the method your customer chooses to pay you with and then write the check number if it is paid via check. Well, either you can write your amount in the payment amount field, or you can just select the invoice here. And if you won't write the amount in the payment amount field, it will automatically fill that field with the invoice or invoices amount you selected. Well, let's say your customer paid you a portion of that amount, like 500 out of 700. Then the QuickBooks apply that amount to that invoice and will inform you about the remaining balance of the invoice here in this box, where you will have two options, like keep it as underpayment or just write off the balance, which I don't want. Anyhow, exactly the same way, if the customer pays more than the invoice, then it will show the credit balance in that box. Anyhow, instead of writing under or over payment, I'm adding the full amount to keep it simple at this point in time. And I will talk about these variations in future. Now, change the date you received your payment on. And since I am not giving any discount or credit on this purchase, I'm not adding them to this invoice. Like I said, these variations will be discussed in future tutorials. Anyhow, here on the right side, the QuickBooks is giving you the summary of this payment, whether what payment was applied and what was the discount or credit, etc. on this invoice. And since there was no discount and credits have been provided on this invoice, it's showing that the full payment has been received. Now, just write your memo if you want, or just click on Save and Close button to record that payment. Now, the payment has been recorded, and here you can see that the QuickBooks is informing you that you have a check to deposit into your bank account. Now, go to your chart of accounts to see whether what changes has taken place there, and here you can see that it has taken the amount from accounts receivables balance and placed it into the undeposited funds account. Well, till this point, what QuickBooks considers is that you have received your payment, but you still have to go to your bank to deposit it into your bank account. Until that point, it will keep showing the balance into undeposited funds account. So in a way, undeposited funds account is a clearing account that will keep showing the balance until the received amount hasn't been deposited into your bank account. Well, sometimes you don't deposit your received payment checks. Instead, you endorse them to make your own payments to your vendors. Well, in that scenario, the check never hits your bank account. In that case, the transaction will be treated differently, which is an advanced level topic, and we will cover that in future tutorials. Now, let's deposit the check into the bank account. Just click on Record Deposit under Banking section. It will open the record deposit window along with the window of all the checks you need to deposit into your bank account. Well, since I have only one at this point in time, it's showing that. Anyhow, let's say when you open the record deposit window, it won't open this small window with it. Then just click on Payments. It will open that window and then just select the ones you want to deposit into your bank account and click on OK. It will add the selected ones here and then change your bank account in the deposit to field and date you made that deposit on. Moreover, you can write some memo here if you want. And here you can see that it's taking the amount from undeposited funds and putting it into your bank account. And since I am not taking any cash back, I'm keeping these fields empty. And then just click on Save and Close button to record that deposit. Now our deposit has been recorded, and let's go to the chart of accounts to see the changes. And here you can see that the amount from undeposited funds has been transferred to our bank account. And when you will double click on it, it will open the bank register where you will be able to see the transactions and the total balance of the bank account. And when you will go to the customer center to see the Christie's balance, it will show the zero balance as the check against the invoice has not only been received but also cleared. Anyhow, our first payment has been received and deposited into our bank account, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.